DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Is it kosher? Now, this is kosher because you see the circle with the little U? That means it's kosher. Tabasco sauce, K. It's got a K, that means it's kosher. Okay? Gulden's mustard, is this kosher? I don't see a K or a U. I don't think this is kosher. Oh, wait, right there it is. See the little U? That means it's kosher. Right there. And what that means, there it is there on this. What that means is that a rabbi has blessed it. See the little U? Now I don't know how they work it, but I guess they go to the factory and they got to pay them so much a year to bless their stuff so Jews can eat it. And it's kosher. Like this. No U, no K. These are not kosher. So you can't eat it if you're a bona fide Jew. Hidden Valley Ranch, are you guys paying them? I don't see it. I don't think they change anything on production. They just, pay their blood money and then it's kosher. Balsamic, wishbone, are you guys paying them? Is this kosher, yes or no? It'll usually be on the front. I don't see anything, so that's not kosher. California Italian dressing, I bet you this is not. Not kosher. Bragg. This is good vinegar. I don't see anything. Not kosher. USDA organic. But not kosher. You know how you can tell if something's kosher? It has a little U or a K on it.
I'm sorry?
How you can tell if something is kosher.
Oh.
See, like this is kosher. You see the U with the circle around it?
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh,
That means this is kosher.
I see.
If it doesn't have that, it's not kosher.
I see.
Let's see, let's go to a different section. Let's see if these crackers are kosher or not. There you go. See the little U? Kosher. Ritz, are you kosher? I don't see anything. I don't think this is kosher. Ritz, they're not paying them. Obviously not paying them. Wait, what's this? Oh, this one is kosher. See the little U? So why is this and this isn't? Well, they hide it pretty good sometimes, but it's the same company, right? Very strange. Easy cheese, what's this? Kosher? I don't see it. Not kosher. What else can we look at? Nutella. Oh, there's a little U, that means it's kosher. Laura Scudder's, are you kosher? Oh, there it is, right there. I bet you guys didn't know this, did you? Smuckers, are you kosher? Up, right there, you see it? Little U? Kosher. It's like some of these, like Bonnie Mayman, I don't think they're paying them, so they're not kosher. They're not paying the rabbi to bless the factory or whatever. Entenmann's, that ought to be kosher. That's a Jewish name, right? There it is, U. Okay, I guess that's it, kids. U. A lot of times it'll be a K. This little circle U. There'll be a K. Either a K or a U or, you know. So next time you go to the grocery store, you can see this. And Pepperidge Farm, yep, you're kosher. I wonder what the D afterwards means. That's something new. Maybe it's a new kind of kosher. I don't know. Look at that. U. Keebler. Hey, Keebler, are you kosher? Yep, there it is, the K. See the D? K and a D? Alright, I guess I'm beating a dead horse now. I don't think these mission tortillas are kosher. Hey, I don't think Mexico or, you know. So in theory, Jews can't eat this. Alright kids, I guess that's it. What am I going to get here? Maybe I'll get some Ben & Jerry's. Nope. Not Ben & Jerry's. Ben & Jerry's is supporting Israel. And Israel is committing a genocide. So, alright, I'm out of here. Onward and upward. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, you know. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.